If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can adjust the vibrance in Photoshop to adjust color saturation to reduce clipping as colors approach full saturation. Vibrance increases the saturation of less saturated colors more than the colors closer to full saturation. Vibrance also helps prevent oversaturation of skin tones. To adjust the vibrance in the selected raster layer or smart object layer in Photoshop, select Image, Adjustments, Vibrance from the menu bar to show the adjustments settings in the Vibrance dialog box that opens. Then make sure the Preview checkbox in the dialog box is checked to preview your changes. Alternatively, to apply this adjustment as an adjustment layer above the layer currently selected in the Layers panel, click the Vibrance button in the Adjustments panel to add a new Vibrance adjustment layer to the Layers panel and show the same adjustment settings in the Properties panel. To adjust the vibrance of the layer, click and drag the vibrance slider right or left, or enter positive or negative values from positive 100 to negative 100 into the adjacent field. Separately, if needed, to increase or decrease the saturation of all colors in the selected layer, click and drag the saturation slider right or left, or enter a value from positive 100 to negative 100 into the adjacent field. To apply the vibrance adjustment if using the Vibrance dialog box, click the OK button. Alternatively, to cancel the adjustment and close the dialog box, click the Cancel button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.